House around the door has a beautiful paintings on the walls, and they have two guards there, and that means we are using it in a spiritual way. So not any negative power will come to attack the families or come to disturb some problems, disturb the marriage, and sometimes this is the more beauty of the marriage. More nice performance and easy to recognize, and imagine all this house ready to marry. Palace. When you go to the bank of the river, by boat, you can see a lot of palaces at the bank of the river. All those are palaces built by from different Maharajas. They came from different state, from different city, because they want to live and die in Varanasi, because they want to go direct nirvana, direct liberation, paradise. So when they was come to here, they was build a palace at the bank of the river, and they used to live here. But before die, some of the Maharajas, they donate the palace to the sadhus, some Maharajas they donate to the Brahmin, some Maharajas donate to the government, and some Maharajas from the south of India, they live in the palace here for the pilgrims. If any pilgrim will come from my state with the community, with the group, so they can stay here for free. So this palace, Maharaja from Nagpur between Nasik and Mumbai. Do you know Mumbai? Nasik and Mumbai is in Nagpur. The name of Maharaja, it's called Maharaja Raghurajji Bhosle. Raghurajji Bhosle, the name of Maharaja. So he was living here, but before this palace, he was donated to the family members, this palace. And the family members, they are living here since 7 generations, and they are taking care of this palace. And in this palace, we have twice temple, 2 temples. The one is a Shiva temple, one is a Lord Vishnu temple. This one is a Lord Vishnu temple, with his wife, Mother Lakshmi, the 4 arms. But outside, you can see the beautiful god and goddesses around the wall, around the temple. So now we are going to enter inside. Please watch your head. So a lot of god and goddesses you can see. You know, we have more than actually we have 33 million god and goddess, but we have more than 33 million god and goddesses. Easy to count, difficult to count, and difficult to remember.
I'm sure.
You see on the top, there is a goddess. It's the goddess name is called Jalpari. Half part is a fish and half part is a female. In our Hindu mythology, we call it Jalpari, and in English mythology, we call the mermaid. You can hanging around here. You can see the beautiful carving of the god and goddess, statues, small. Everyone have the nice spiritual ceremony to goddess. And after that, the statues are going to the Ganga. Actually, since 2 years are not available to go to the statues in the Ganga, because the statues are made with the mud and have a lot of liquid colors. So Ganga can be polluted. So because of that, these are all the statues going to different pond, different wells, except to Ganga. Om. The get the peace. Om. There is temple of Lord Vishnu and Vishnu wife Lakshmi. Here only the family members they are allowed to inside the temple. The locals and tourists cannot go there. From here they can do the prayer. The Lord Vishnu footprint and Vishnu wife Lakshmi, they do prayer to the Vishnu wife. Then here, then the candle they keep to here. And every Hindu temple you will get the bells.
Yes.
In Buddhism, just moving like this. But Hinduism, just play. That is our first entrance to visit inside of the temple. Like come in, we go in,
You ring the bell.
play the bells, then we go in. When we come out, again we are back. Come in, go. The snacks, papadam with potato, they make it, they fry in oil.
Oh.
When you will order the Indian thali, you will get these snacks. Very crispy.
Oh.
Papadam. There they mix red chili, salt, potato, and then after they are, first potato they are boiled. After boil, take out all the skin, they are mashed, all the potato, little chili red chili powder, little salt, mix it. Then after they make a bowl, take the little oil. The view of the palace.
Yes.
The Maharaja period times, in these views, they have the beautiful classical music, classical dance, Kathak, we call in Hindi. The family members, they are painted, the colors. Before was is the original. Something interesting to see. I have requested to you to not go more close. Just here, you can see.
Yeah.
No more close because it's too dangerous, because very old. Less than 400 years old this palace. The god of love. On the top I have a cobra, the protecting, and there is a bull. Each god and goddesses have a transportation, the animals. Animals we don't cut, we don't kill, we don't eat. And all the animals are get the transportation from the families of the god and goddess. Spiritual things to offering to the goddess. Every goddess they have a love to the coconut. So every goddesses we are offering the coconut.
Oh.
And today is a Sakra Friday, Zambia. Today is a Friday, the day of one greatest goddess. That the goddess name is called that's Mother Shankata. She solves the problem for every human person. Like if you're going there to do the prayers, just do it every day. Or maybe sometimes people just they go only Friday. What is the day of Mother Goddess? So especially even me, I go to this goddess temple because she is as my mother, you know. One mother born me, one mother give me life. So I go to prayer of this goddess, and she is a very popular goddess. Lot of crowd. Now you see, now it's quiet because temple is closed. But when temple will open after 3:30, it will again start to have a crowd until night 11 o'clock. This is the Indian betel nut.
Oh,
They
yeah.
call the pan. People chewing and spit on a floor and it's become red. This is a pan, is called the tree leaves pan. But we have to painting the air with the calcium, with the catechu, put little cardamom, betel nut, tobacco, mint. Then after we fold and give the people and chewing. And if they want to carry at home 3-4 pieces to eat, so they have the bigger leaves. In the leaves they do the packing. That leaves not for eating, only for good packing.
Only for packing, I see.
So this is our Indian traditional pan. It's not good for teeth, but it's good for hygienic.
Oh.
Better than cigarette.
Oh, really?
So Indian people they love to chew. Keep silent.
Interesting.
Yeah. Someday I'll try it.
And people also they try the without tobacco one, the sweet one. You have the fruit nut, you have the kazus, peanuts, dry grapes, papaya, orange, all they are mixed together. They make the fruit one. It's delicious. Indian women they try.
Hello. Okay.
75 different lassi they have and by season. Like now we have mango season, so no mango lassi.
Oh.
No strawberry, no blueberry.
Yes. Hello. Hi. Is that cricket? Oh.
तू ते काम का करू